Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel EduVenture SG. So today we'll be solving a new word problem on whole numbers. So let's start with reading the question first. Meena had a total of 585 blue marbles, red marbles and green marbles. She had 76 fewer blue marbles than red marbles and 133 more green marbles than red marbles. How many red marbles did she have? Okay, so what do we have for this question? The first thing we have is the total number of marbles. Okay, the total number of marbles, total number of blue, red and green marbles. That is how much? 585. So that's the total number of all the three kinds of marbles. Then second information we have is she had 76 fewer blue marbles than red marbles. Okay, 76 fewer. So in other words, we can say that she has 76 more red marbles than blue marbles. Right? Am I right? Right? It's the same thing. Whether you say 76 fewer red marbles than 76 fewer blue marbles than red marbles or 76 more red marbles than blue marbles. So it's the same thing. Basically, the number of red marbles is more than the blue ones, right? So we can write something like this. Okay, so blue as compared to blue, red is more. Okay, now and 133 more green marbles than red marbles. That means the number of green marbles is more than red marbles. Okay, so the question is, how many red marbles did she have? Now in order to draw its model, let's start. Since we know that the number of blue marbles is the least, we can represent we can take it as the basic unit, right? So let's start drawing our model. So let's represent our blue model, blue marbles using this block. So let's say this is my blue marbles and this is the least, so we can, let's say this is 1 unit. The blue marbles are 1 unit. Then how many red marbles are there? Okay, so as we know that she has 76 fewer red marbles than fewer blue marbles than red marbles. So in other way we can say there are 76 more red marbles than blue marbles. So we can draw it here. So first we draw a block which is same as blue. Okay, and since red is 76 more, so we have to extend it, okay, to show that it is 76 more, right? Now how about green? Green one is 133 more than red. So let's draw the model for green one. So how do we do that? First draw a block which is of same length as red. Why? Because as compared to red, green is how much? 133 more. Okay, so you see here the till here it's same as red, right? And after this we have added another 133 to show that green is 133 more than red, and red is 76 here, as red is 76 more than blue. Okay, now how about this part? If you see carefully, right, this green part is same as red. And how much is red? But red is 1 unit plus another 76. So we can extend this line, okay, here, and we can say that, okay, this is 1 unit and this is 76. Okay, why? Because red is itself is 1 unit plus 76. So this part is also 1 unit plus 76. and then this shows that green is 133 more than red. Okay, now what else we have? We know that the total number of all the three kinds of marbles, blue, red and green, is how much? 585. So let's show this in our model. Yeah, okay, so the total number of marbles here is 585. Okay, now if we just remove these extra marbles, right, which is what, 76 plus 76 and 133, right, what we will be left with? See here, we will be left with 3 units, 1 2 3, right? So we just add these up together and then subtract it from 585 to get 3 units. So let's do that. So let's add 76 plus 76 plus 133, which is equal to 285. Okay, now if we subtract this 285, right, from 585, we will get 3 units. So we can write 3 units is equal to 585 minus 285, okay, which is equal to 300. So we can say 3 units is 300. So how much will be 1 unit? 1 unit will be 300 divided by 3, which is equal to 100. Okay, now let's read the question again. How many red marbles did she have? So you can see clearly from here the number of red marbles is 1 unit plus 76, right? So the red marbles, okay, so the red marbles is equal to 1 unit plus 76. And how much is 1 unit? Just now we calculated it, right? It's 100, right? So it is 100 plus 76, which is equal to 176. Okay, so the number of red marbles, okay, she had is 176. So that's your answer. So you can write your answer here as she has 176 red marbles. Okay, so hope you understand this question and you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Bye.